Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Corruption Anime Vanguard effectively. We will begin by exploring the fundamental idea behind corruption mechanics, which often involve weakening your opponent's board or hand. Understanding these core principles is crucial for building a strong strategy. We will then delve into specific card types and their roles, ensuring you grasp how each piece contributes to your overall game plan. Get ready to elevate your Vanguard skills. Let's dive into the core mechanics that define a Corruption Vanguard strategy. Many corruption effects aim to deplete your opponent's hand, making their defense more challenging. For instance, certain units might gain an additional 10,000 power when your opponent's hand contains 3 or fewer cards. Mastering the timing of these abilities is key to maximizing their impact. We will also look at how specific Grade 3 units are essential for initiating these powerful plays, setting up your winning turns. Beyond straight-line speed, the driving experience diverges significantly. The BMW M4 offers a versatile ride, comfortable enough for daily commutes yet highly capable on the track, thanks to its adaptive suspension and various drive modes. The Lamborghini SVJ, however, is an uncompromised track weapon. It features advanced active aerodynamics, known as ALA 2.0, and four-wheel steering, providing unparalleled agility and downforce for an exhilarating, race car-like feel. Its focus is purely on extreme performance. To truly master Corruption Anime Vanguard, here are some advanced tips. Always manage your counterblast resources wisely. Many powerful corruption skills require 1 or 2 counterblasts. Pay close attention to your opponent's hand size, as this dictates the effectiveness of many of your key abilities. Finally, consistent practice against diverse deck types will significantly refine your strategic approach and decision-making. Keep these points in mind, and you will be well on your way to becoming a formidable player.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.